Good morning, Liam. Did you sleep well?
Good morning, Emma. Yes, I slept well.
I woke up very early today,
Really? What time did you wake up?
around 6 o'clock this morning.
That's early. I wake up at 7.
I like quiet mornings a lot.
Me too. The house is peaceful then.
I opened my window and drank water.
That feels refreshing, doesn't it?
Yes, the fresh air wakes me up.
Do you exercise in the morning too?
Sometimes I do some light stretches.
I do stretches too. They help a lot.
I checked my phone for messages.
I check mine too, but briefly.
Then I brush my teeth and wash face.
Same here. I feel fresh after that.
I prepared tea and toast for breakfast.
Tea? What kind do you drink?
Green tea mostly, it's light and warm.
I drink black tea usually.
Breakfast is my favorite morning time.
I love breakfast too. It starts today.
After eating, I wash the dishes.
I do that too. Clean kitchen feels nice.
I pack my bag for work.
What do you carry every day?
Notebook, lunch, water bottle, and keys.
That's simple and enough for a day.
Then I put on my shoes and leave.
Walking to work wakes me up fully.
The street feels so quiet in morning.
Yes, few cars make it peaceful.
I watch people walking around.
Do you like seeing neighbors then?
Yes, it feels familiar and safe.
I notice them too. Morning greetings are nice.
I reach the bus stop on time.
Good. I usually arrive a little late.
I wait and watch the birds outside.
Birds are very active in morning, right?
Yes, their sounds feel cheerful.
I like hearing them too. It's relaxing.
The bus comes slowly this morning.
Do you like taking the bus?
Sometimes, yes, it's calm and easy.
I enjoy it too, especially quiet rides.
I find a seat near the window.
Same here. I like watching outside.
Seeing the city wake up feels good.
Yes, I notice shops and people moving.
I look at my phone during the ride.
Do you check messages or news?
Mostly messages from family and friends.
I do the same. Short messages are nice.
I watch the streets as we move.
The buildings look different in morning light.
Some shops are already open.
Do you stop to see anything?
Sometimes I notice small stores I like.
I do too. The bakery smells great.
I feel ready for work when I reach.
Yes, the morning ride clears my mind.
I step off and walk to the office.
Do you enjoy walking a bit?
Yes, it helps me feel awake.
Me too. I like short walks before work.
How is your office usually in morning?
Quiet and calm. Everyone is focused.
I greet my coworkers politely.
I always say good morning first.
I start my computer and check emails.
Do you have many emails every day?
Not too many, just important ones.
Same here. I read only urgent ones first.
I plan my tasks for today.
Do you write them down or remember?
I write them in my notebook.
I do the same. It helps me focus.
I start with the easiest task.
That feels good. I do that too.
I complete it faster than expected.
Nice. I feel motivated when tasks finish quickly.
Then I take a short break.
What do you do during breaks?
I drink some water or stretch a little.
I like stretching too. It helps my back.
I return to my desk slowly.
I do the same. It feels peaceful.
I focus on one thing at a time.
That's the best way to finish work.
I finish one small task first.
Me too. Finishing small tasks feels good.
Then I check the computer for messages.
Are there many emails waiting?
Just a few from coworkers.
I check mine too. Quick messages only.
I feel proud when tasks are done.
Yes, finishing things gives satisfaction.
I sip some water and stretch again.
Short breaks help me a lot too.
The room stays quiet and calm.
Quiet rooms help me concentrate well.
I hear faint sounds from outside.
Are children playing nearby?
Yes, they sound happy and cheerful.
I like hearing them too. It's relaxing.
I organize my desk before the next task.
I tidy my workspace too. It helps focus.
I check my watch to see the time.
Is the afternoon almost over?
Yes, just a little time left.
I feel ready to finish my tasks.
I complete another small task carefully.
I do the same. It feels good to finish.
Then I plan what to do next.
Planning helps me stay organized.
The afternoon feels calm today.
Yes, calm afternoons make work easier.
I feel the afternoon moving slowly.
Yes, afternoons feel longer sometimes.
I check my task list again.
Do you still have many tasks?
Only 2 small tasks left.
That sounds manageable and relaxing.
I start working on the first one.
Do you focus better near the evening?
Yes, I feel more settled then.
Same here, my mind feels calmer.
I finish the task without stress.
That always feels satisfying.
I stretch my arms again.
Do you stretch often during work?
Yes, it keeps my body relaxed.
I should stretch more too.
I take a few deep breaths.
Breathing helps me reset my focus.
I start the final task now.
Is it easy to complete?
Yes, it is mostly checking details.
Detail work needs patience.
I read everything carefully.
Careful reading avoids mistakes.
I feel confident about my work.
Confidence feels great after effort.
I save all my files.
I do that twice to be sure.
I close my computer slowly.
That feels like a day ending.
I look around the office.
Are people packing their bags?
Yes, everyone looks relaxed now.
End of work feels peaceful.
I put my notebook inside my bag.
I pack my bag neatly too.
I check if everything is inside.
Forgetting things feels annoying.
I stand up and stretch fully.
Standing feels good after sitting long.
I say goodbye to coworkers.
I wish my friends a good evening.
They smile and reply kindly.
That feels nice after a long day.
I walk toward the exit.
I walk out slowly too.
The sky looks softer now.
Evening light feels calming.
I step outside the building.
Fresh air feels good then.
I feel tired but satisfied.
Same feeling here, tired but happy.
I take a slow breath outside.
Breathing outside feels refreshing.
I start walking toward the bus stop.
I head there too every evening.
I walk carefully along the road.
Evening walks need attention.
I enjoy walking after work.
It helps release the stress.
I reach the bus stop slowly.
Is the bus already there?
Not yet. A few minutes left.
People look tired but relaxed.
Yes, everyone finishes their day. I stand and check the road.
Do you prefer standing or sitting?
I prefer standing for short waits.
Standing feels fine for me too.
I hear traffic noise around.
Evening roads sound busy.
The sky turns light orange now.
Sunset colors look beautiful.
The bus arrives after some time.
Good, the wait is over.
I get on the bus calmly.
I greet the driver politely.
I find a seat near a window.
Window seats feel relaxing.
I watch people outside quietly.
Watching outside helps me relax.
Shops close one by one.
Yes, lights turn off slowly.
The ride feels calm today.
Evening rides feel peaceful.
I rest my head slightly.
I rest my eyes briefly too.
Music plays softly inside.
Do you like soft music?
Yes, it feels soothing.
Soft sounds calm my mind.
The bus slows near my stop.
That means home comes soon.
I stand and move slowly.
I prepare to get down.
I step off the bus carefully.
I step onto the street.
The street feels quieter here.
Yes, fewer people around.
I start walking toward home.
Walking home feels comforting.
I see familiar houses nearby.
Familiar places feel safe.
I reach my house gate.
That feels like a relief.
I unlock the door slowly.
Home feels best after work.
I step inside and relax.
Being home feels peaceful.
I place my bag on the table.
Do you change clothes first?
Yes, I wear comfortable clothes.
Comfort feels important at home.
I wash my hands and face.
That helps remove the day.
I sit down for a few minutes.
Do you rest before chores?
Yes, short rest helps me.
I rest a bit too.
I drink some water slowly.
Water feels refreshing after travel.
I go to the kitchen now.
Do you cook every evening?
Most days, yes, simple food.
Simple food feels lighter.
I start preparing dinner calmly.
Cooking relaxes me sometimes.
I cut vegetables slowly.
Slow cooking feels peaceful.
The kitchen smells nice now.
Food smells make me hungry.
I cook rice and vegetables.
Do you like light dinners?
Yes, light dinners help sleep.
I prefer light dinners too.
I set plates on the table.
Setting table feels homely.
I sit down for dinner.
Dinner time feels relaxing.
I eat slowly and quietly.
Slow eating feels healthy.
I enjoy the warm food.
Warm food feels comforting.
I talk with family briefly.
Evening talks feel nice.
I finish dinner without rush.
No rush feels better.
I clean dishes after eating.
I hope with this is sometimes.
Clean kitchen feels peaceful.
Clean spaces calm the mind.
I sit on the sofa now.
Do you watch something?
Sometimes news or simple shows.
I watch light shows too.
I avoid phone too long.
Less phone helps sleep.
I enjoy quiet evening moments.
Quiet evenings feel comforting.
I read few pages quietly.
Reading helps me unwind.
My body feels tired now.
Yes, tiredness comes naturally.
I prepare for bedtime slowly.
Night routines feel calming.
I brush my teeth before bed.
I do that too every night.
I wash my face gently.
I avoid phone before sleep.
I take a deep breath.
Breathing helps the body relax.
My room feels quiet now.
Quiet rooms help good sleep.
I lie down comfortably.
Comfort matters at night.
I close my eyes slowly.
I relax my body fully.
The day ends peacefully.
Peaceful endings feel best.
I enjoyed talking today.
I enjoyed our talk too.
Good night, Liam. Sleep well.
Good night, Emma. Sweet dreams.